Nĩ uthuthuria uria wekirwo gatagati ga tariki 3 na 8 mweri uyu, Akenya 2,400 kuuma kaunti ciothe 47 makinyita itemi. Uthuthuria uyu wonetie gicunji kia 72 gitire na mwihoko bururi-ini uratwarithio wega ni thirikari ya President William Ruto. Gicunji kia 15 kia aria manyitite itemi uthuthuria-ini uyu marauga bururi-ini urungireirie wega, nakio kia 12 gitituite matua ma kana ni kwega kana ti kwega. Hari itumi iria iheanitwo, mwihoko na thirikari uthiite ona mbere gukundera wagi wa mawira ona kwaga mwihoko na honge iria ciathite.
What of the right direction? The highest score came from Central at 22%. Those who believe the country is headed in the right direction. And this was followed by Northeastern at 21% and Rift Valley at 19%.
Uthuthuria uyu hawonetie gicunji kia 61 hari igana kia Akenya kirauga thogora wa muturire wi iguru muno makiria, nakio gicunji kia 26 gikauga muturire wi iguru.
Cumulatively, if you look at it, we have a total of 87% who mentioned that the cost of living is between high and very high. And that calls for attention for the ruling class and particularly the government to look at how they can reduce the cost of living.
Gicunji gia 9 hari igana kirauga maundu ti moru muno, indi hari itumi iria iheanitwo kweherio gwa thairira cia irio na maguta ni kimwe gia gitumi kinene kia muturire kwambatira.
Asking them what would be costing or what are the causes of this high cost of living, mentioned the three key ones: increase in fuel prices, there's the high taxation, inflation mentioned by 28%, high taxation by 49%, fuel was mentioned by 59%. Others are poor decision or policies made by the current regime, mentioned at 19%.
Ndio nikwenda kuira Kenyans ati corona matige kurora o uria tu tukorwo hana marore maundu maria twotete kugitira turore ati berendo henaga subsidy ya maguta muigana wa bilioni 480 icio ni twahingire ni tuheanite subsidy ya mutu uria utakinyaga matura-ini au ni twahingire tungirora hari twote gucokaniriria bururi witu gwiciria Kenyans no mone ati
na riri igoti rirugametie watho wa kigina kwa ihinda gicunji kia 78 kia aria maheanite mawoni mao kirauga mendekithia maya ma ungania wa magoti matiguteithiriria kurirukia utonga wa bururi makiria guku nakio gicunji kia 22 gikihoka thirikari na muoroto mwega wa kwarahura utonga wa bururi. No thirikari igitetera ngombo cia thirikari iria yehereire wathani nicio kihingica kinene kia ukuria wa bururi makiuria muingi uhe thirikari ino ihinda.
Tufatira turole mawatho mamwe ona tukugana omega twina democracy, magoti independent, judiciary executive independent, legislative independent. No ginya tuge ati ni tukufatira turole imwe ndigatuike ni kirere ngimuhinga maundu mari matugira Kenya Power. Ni twagite meters tondu mundu athira igoti-ini tukaga transformer tondu mundu athira igoti-ini akarugamia kugura guprocure indo icio Kenyans magatuika ni makuinyirira koguo ni tukwenda turore judiciary ndikaye kuhuthirwo ni mundu wina utari na wendi mwega kuinyiriria economy na kugwata thirikari mugwate.
INFOTRAK TV ritore kwa ni mwaura wa Ndungu.